Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your M4 smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, this is Josh here again, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your M4 smartwatch. So as you can see, our smartwatch, the time is 12:13, while on my phone is 12:56 p.m. So this is the correct one. So all we just have to do guys is let's go to our Fit Pro application, and from there let's scan our smartwatches. So in our case guys, so we have to click the LT716. Okay, and as you can see guys, our time it's already 12:59 on our smart bracelet and also 12:59 on our smartphone. Alright guys, so it is just easy to connect our M4 smartwatch to our smartphone for us to set the time. Alright, so if you're asking me if can you set the time without your Fit Pro app, the answer is no. So you really have to have your Fit Pro application for you to set the time of your smart bracelet. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.